Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a quick unboxing video of pinchme. If you don't know what pinchme is, it's a company that sends you free samples every month on pinchme Tuesdays. You guys can sign up with the link down below in the description and get your free samples for next month. So I'm going to quickly get into this and then see all the fun things they sent me. Alright, so the first thing is this organic India teas, which I'm really excited. I've been like trying to get into teas lately. So the fact that I got this is Tulsi Immune Daily. It's a traditional spice. The Tulsi Masala Chai and then the Tulsi Turmeric Ginger. That is fun, and there's like a coupon for $1.50 off a box. So that's great. Sorry, I'm outside. The birds are being weird. I have this Eva NYC shampoo and conditioner samples. They're for brass to sass brunette shampoo. I sadly am no longer a brunette, as you can obviously tell. So I'll probably put this in a sample. In a giveaway. I do have a giveaway coming up soon where I have a bunch of other skincare stuff, so I'll probably just throw this in there if the person who wins is a brunette. The next thing that I got, it is this Revlon Big Bad Lash Mascara. 84% Salt Lashes Volumized from root to tip. So that's what it looks like. I'll probably put this in a giveaway. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. The brush looks really cool, so I may actually keep it. It's one of those, like, if you can see it there, those thick brushes that are kind of thin, and I like those kind of brushes because it really like helps to elongate your mascara, to elongate your lashes. Like there's like leaves behind me and stuff like that. Yeah, it's fall, it's chilly out here, but it's the only place I could go to do this. And then last but not least, I didn't finish what I was saying. So it's great for your eyelashes because it just elongates them, volumizes them, and it just makes them look like false lashes without having to actually put on false lashes. And then last but not least is this Moroccan Oil Weightless Hydrating Mask. It's a cute little sample. I'll probably give this to my sister because you guys already know I only use my Monique products. Sorry, like once you find something that works for your hair and like works for you, you can't really go anywhere else. And like, look at my hair, come on. And then of course I got a few coupons. Well, I got one coupon for that Revlon, $3 off the mascara. So that was everything in my pinchme box. I got some makeup, I got hair care, and I got some yummy teas for wellness. So thanks again to pinchme. If you guys are interested in trying pinchme, I will put the link down below in the description so you guys can try it out and get yourself some free stuff. I'm really excited to try this tea from everything. This is the thing I'm most excited about. This organic India tea. It smells really good. Oh, especially the spice one. Like spice teas always smell great. But yeah, so thanks so much for watching, and go sign up for pinchme. Use my link. I think I get some kind of like credit for it. I don't know what I get from it. Maybe they send me like a box of like freebies that I'll probably end up doing a giveaway for and giving it away to people. Probably. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and please stay safe out there. Happy holidays and have a great day whichever time you're watching. Bye now.